Hi guys, what's up? In today's vlog, I'm going to walk you through the National Botanic Gardens of Dublin. I'm also going to bring you to the Glasnevin Cemetery established in 1830. It is considered to be a tourist attraction because this is where a lot of famous Irish people were laid to rest. And finally, at the end of this vlog, I'm going to take you to the pub right next to the cemetery. It's commonly known as the Gravediggers, and it serves one of the best and creamiest pints of Guinness in Dublin. The Botanic Gardens are located a few kilometers from the city center of Dublin. If you go there, you will be able to explore an exquisite plant collection with over 15,000 plants from all over the world. Entering the Botanic Gardens is free of charge, and it's cool that there is also a sculpture exhibition known as the Sculpture in Context. The sculptures are usually displayed on a rotation basis, so every time you visit you can discover something new and fun. For example, the sculpture which you see right now is called Listen to Her, perhaps referring to the nature. And if you are wondering why this girl is dressed in a white gown, well, it was the season of Holy Communions and many children were in the park to take pictures with their families. Okay, the glass houses are still closed. Some people are even sunbathing.
You couldn't cough because you couldn't take a full breath, you know?
This tree has a very interesting trunk. I will show you something very interesting, and it's also considered to be an art composition. It's actually inspired by the current pandemic. Let's see what is written. This installation acknowledges and reflects on the last 18 months or more, the shift in people's lives, the reflection of change and the loss. And this is one of the permanent sculptures at the Botanic Gardens. It's dedicated to Dr. James Watson, one of the scientists involved in discovering the structure of the DNA. He is an Irish American. Just across, above the water, you can see the sculpture of a massive dragonfly. It's really cool. And what do we have here? A seahorse. And I see a squirrel over there. Now I'm heading towards the Glasnevin Cemetery. Glasnevin is the largest cemetery in Ireland, with over 1.5 million people being buried here. That includes famous people like Daniel O'Connell, Michael Collins, Charles Stewart, Parnell, and others. The cemetery is known for the biggest collection of Celtic crosses in the world. There is also a museum, and if you want to learn more about the history, you can join a guided tour. This grave belongs to Michael Collins, an Irish revolutionary leader who was killed in 1922 during the Irish Civil War. And since the graveyard triggers a feeling of sadness, I'm in a hurry to go to a happier place, the Gravediggers pub. The pub was established in 1833 by John Kavanagh. It's currently among the finest pubs in Dublin, with no music, no Wi-Fi, and no TV.
So how was it? Slonche? I think it was slonche. Yeah. You got a bit of beer.